Morning here everyone. In my last video I showed you about this AK7755 audio codec that I was having here, and that I showed you how I had set it up and how I had installed the drivers and how I was trying to do a simple playback operation using the driver that I had written for this Linux device driver that I had written for this audio codec here, AK7755. This audio codec AK7755 we saw here last time. Also we saw that it was being interfaced with my Raspberry Pi 3 Rpi3 board here, as you can see here. And secondly, there was this crystal oscillator here that I talked about, this providing the master clock here to this board, actually to my audio codec here. So apart from this, today in this video I will be showing a small application that I made here, a small equalizer application that you can see here. So this basically uses the DSP of the audio codec here. So in the DSP block I have used equalizer element here in this of this audio codec chip here, and inside the DSP block I have used the EQ, and in that I have used, it's a 8-band EQ that I have implemented here. It's an 8-band equalizer that I have implemented, and in that I am modifying each band filter coefficients associated with these bands, actually, as you can see here. And based on these filter coefficients we can change the gain. Actually, the gains are being modified based on the coefficients that I will be modifying in the CRAM of this audio codec that I have here, of this equalizer element that it will be present in the DSP block. So apart from this, I would like to mention that this equalizer is a picking type equalizer that I have here. It's a picking EQ, and let's try it out actually. So let's go back. As you can see here, it's already, the driver is already installed, and it has been registered successfully, and it shows up actually in the list of playback devices, as you can see here. And I'll be trying to play a small audio clip actually, and the playback starts. So here I go to the EQ equalizer here. 8-band equalizer, as you can see here. It goes all the way from 100 Hertz to 20 kilohertz. So one thing that I would like to mention here is that I am not using the ALSA EQ plugin that we usually have here. It's not using any ALSA EQ plugin framework actually. So it's basically everything is being done from this audio codec. The entire filtering and entire processing operation is done using this using the DSP block of this audio codec here that I have here. So if we go here, we are firstly modifying. Say I want to modify 100 Hertz. This is a vocal, right? So it should be around 3.4 kilohertz. So the audio vocal range. So we want to ensure that band around 4.6 kilohertz is well off. So you can see the difference here. I reduce a little bit of on the bass side. So along the higher frequencies, yeah, would be good if there are more drums and all. So it's fine. This is how it is. Same band equalizer here. This is all about this that I recently completed for this peaking EQ 8-band peaking equalizer implemented on this audio codec in the Linux device driver for this audio codec that has been programmed with the coefficients of this of the equalizer bands that you can see here. So if we go and check open a new tab, you can see here these are the coefficients that I am trying to write actually. You can see here the equalizer coefficients that have been written for this band. So that should be all. Thanks for watching. I hope this sounds useful. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.